friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making a summer special pickle recipe which is called as Gunde Ka Achar or Lasode Ka Achar. It is called by different names, but the most important thing is that it stays good for as long as a year and tastes simply delicious. So let's quickly see how to prepare it.
Here I have 250 grams of Leswa or Lasode. You need to first wash it properly and then you can also remove this stem, but ensure not to remove this cap, otherwise water will seep inside it. So we'll just wash it nicely and then we need to boil it. Next I have kept water for boiling. Into this we'll add a pinch of turmeric powder or haldi. This will maintain the color of Leswa or Lasode. Then we have added Leswa in this boiling water. Now we need to boil it until these are half done. Do not overcook it. We just need to boil it to that stage that it becomes little soft, not too much. So friends, once these are little done, you will be easily able to poke knife in it. That means we need to immediately remove it from boiling water and sieve it. After sieving, we need to dry it up. So you can either keep it in this sieve under fan or room temperature, or you can spread it on a cotton cloth and just let it dry for at least 1 to 2 hours.
Next, let's prepare masala for our pickles. So for this, firstly we'll dry roast 2 tablespoons of red mustard seeds in a pan. You simply need to roast it for 1 to 2 minutes on a medium flame. Once done, we'll remove it from the pan and allow it to cool it down. After then, we need to dry roast 2 tablespoons of Fenugreek Seeds or methi dana. Again, dry roast it, let it cool, and we need to then grind it. Grind both Fenugreek Seeds and mustard seeds separately. Friends, here you can see our Lasode has dried up completely. Now we need to remove this cap, which initially we did not remove, but after boiling and drying up, then we need to remove all these caps. Now let's prepare masala for our pickles. So in a bowl, we'll take 2 tablespoons of heated and cool mustard oil. Into this we'll add half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Degi Mirch for color, and then we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. You can alter the quantity of salt as per your taste. And there goes 2 tablespoons full of crushed fennel seeds powder, the soft powder. And into this goes 2 tablespoons full of the mustard seeds and the fenugreek seeds which we had roasted and crushed earlier. So there it goes. And then we need to mix everything well. This is the masala for our pickle. You can alter the quantity of spices as per your taste. And then to this we'll add our boiled and dried Lasode. Mix everything well so that each piece of Lasode is coated well with the masala. Just look at this beautiful color. This masala you can use for any other pickle. And then we need to transfer the pickle in a glass jar. Ensure that the glass jar is completely dried. There should be no moisture in it. After transferring, we need to keep this glass jar in sunlight for at least 3 to 4 days so that the pickle ferments well. If you feel that the pickle is little dry, then add 1 to 2 teaspoons more of oil in it. This is completely optional. However, even after fermentation, pickle will release oil and it will automatically come on the top. So initially you can add less oil, and after 1 to 2 days, check out the pickle. If you still feel that the oil is less, then add 1 to 2 teaspoons more. It's been 4 days and here you can see my pickle is absolutely ready. You can see this layer of oil which has come on the top. And here is your very tasty, very yummy Lasode Ka Achar ready to serve. This achar can make any dish more flavorful, more tastier. So friends, give it a try. You can serve this with regular roti sabzi, or even you can just have plain paratha along with this achar. You will truly relish it. So this summer season, do give it a try. Let me know how this pickle turns out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.